It's arrived. First thing first, I will not show you the address, so I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna rip it off. While I'm ripping, enjoy this because it's gonna take me some time. Yet. Scissors. Okay. Done. So now, cut it open with my knife. Yep. Okay. Now, here. It's a little bit shaky. Finally. It's not finally, but very close now. You can see it. It's here. The AKKO Rose switches. AKKO Rose switches. Yeah, follow them. Support them. So now, let's find the way to open it. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, here's how it opens. Here are they. The AKKO Rose switches. Looks pretty good. Okay. Sound test. Sounds pretty good. Okay, there are 3 pins. I remember, yeah, 3 pins. And they sound pretty good. So now, I'll put all this right beside and take a keyboard I'm just unplug it real quick. Toolbox. So I'm gonna test it with the escape key first. Example. Yeah, I'm using blue switches with lube, so they sound okay for my first time ever lube, but it is blue, so it's disgusting. Okay. Unlube AKKO Rose switches. Okay, put it down here. Maybe I need to lube them. But the most important part is the space bar. So let's test one of them. Put my space bar back in it. Oh! Oh my god, it's talky as hell. Woo! Nice. In person it sounds talky, but I don't know the camera quality sound. So for me right now it's talky, but I don't know the camera sound, so I don't know. But let's take it out and I'll show you how to lube a switch if you don't know. But if you want to watch something higher quality than mine, watch Hip Tech or Homogeneo or Squashy Boy. They are the GOAT for me, because if it wasn't them, I wouldn't start this hobby. So thank God I watched them. But also, it's a very waste of money. But it's a hobby, so if I like it, who cares? If I enjoy building it, who cares? So let's take one switch here. Okay, you need this type of stuff, the switch opener. I think only cost like, for you guys it's like $5 maybe. Yeah. So let's open it. So these guys are the RK61 switches are like this one, the quads, but this AKKO's one are the duos one. So first, take your switch, take your switch opener, find the place, like look at this and this, place on top of it, secure it. Now you cannot use, if you want to, you just can press like this, but it's very painful for me, so I need to put down on the table and just press it. Okay, but did it even open? So to press it even harder. Ugh. How hard are they to open? They're really painful. Look at my thumb. Ooh, kind of painful. Finally. Okay, so the basic switches, this is the bottom, and there's a spring, and there's the head, and there's the body to cover it up. So where's my paintbrush? So get a lube like mine over here. It's 10 grams because I don't really need to use that much lube. And I'll say right now it's very sticky. It's not sticky, it's slimy, but it's like it's mixed with sticky and slimy, but they are not really that slimy and sticky. You know what I mean? I can't explain. So get the housing. Yeah, get the housing. take some lube, like maybe this much, close up, yeah, maybe this much, and swipe both of these. Okay, I'm gonna use here. Swipe both of these up 3 times. So let me get closer. Okay, swipe up 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And now I'll take a little bit more and swipe around it, inside it, like over here, around it. And if you want a little bit more lube, like the sound, just put it inside it. Just turn it. Okay. Now this thing is done. And now just springs. So, and I need to use tweezers because my hands are way too slippery. Okay. Hold it like this. Like this. And take some lube. I recommend not doing this, but hey, I want it more talky, so and just do it like this. Do it like this. Yeah, just do some few rubs and dubs and put it in like this. Okay. And now, if you want to spend more money on things that you shouldn't buy, this is a thing for you to hold this thing. Yeah, but it's very good if you have big fingers that you can't hold it properly. So take some lube, like this much. Maybe that's a little bit too much, so I'm gonna put some back. Now maybe this much, and just do this. Okay, put here, swipe, turn around, do this, swipe. So I think that's enough for a switch. And I'm gonna take this, put it back. So how to put it back? If you see this thing, I don't know what it's called, but if you see that thing and your head is like this, so just put it like this, like the sharp stuff face over here, so it can hit the, I don't know what it's called, but I will just call it copper, and I hit this copper so it can actually work. So let's put it back, and now put the body on top of it. And yeah, you have to find it the perfect way. So put like this, put it back, and just squish it. Yeah, and you have to double check if it's fully locked. Like sometimes you'll have a little bit crack over here and you just need to push down and it'll be fine. So one switch lube done. Here's the sound. Sound pretty good. So okay, gonna test it one more time. This is unlubed red switches, and I'm gonna put in the lube red switches. This is the lube one. Put it in. Okay. Time to hear it. I think it's a little bit more talky. I can't remember already. I'm old, but it's talky. It's talkier than the lube blue switches for sure. Yeah, if I pick it up and let it come closer. It doesn't sounds good because there's nothing underneath. So yeah, you have to put down here. But this is how you lube your switches and me unboxing the AKKO Rose switches. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And it's free, so hey, it's your choice. But enjoy your day.